So now let's play
Hey
some
guys,
marbles
welcome to
at
our
the
channel
grotto.
Twin Bros with Sis. Greeting from Twin 2. And today we'll be telling you how to survive at the grotto. So
So
where is
today,
grotto?
as we are
Let's
landing at the
place a marker
grotto,
at the
we
grotto.
will be telling you how to
And
survive
I'll be
actually
playing
at the
up
grotto.
with my friend Sane. You know, he's a really nice player, and we are playing duos, and we are definitely gonna win. Sane, do you see
Yes,
my
so
blue
now we
marker?
are gonna
We are going to
survive.
land there on the small hole right
Okay, so
before
now we are
the
gonna land
main
at the main
center.
hole of
And
grotto.
here we go. I've just jumped out.
Okay, so now here we go.
Sane, for going in that small that duct, we have to first land. Okay, we have to land just right below the duct. I'll tell you where to land. Just follow me.
Okay, so now we have to land just below the duck.
Sunny, just
As
wait a minute.
I
I'll
says,
just be landing. We'll be landing over here. Sunny, come up.
I have already.
Sunny, and we'll be going the same way. Okay? Where are you? Yeah. Come up. Come up. Come up. Yeah. Sunny, 3, 2, 1, jump. Sunny, over here with me. Sunny, here with me. Have you gone?
I am not able to really. Yeah, okay, so now I am here.
Sunny, have you come? Sunny,
Yes,
Sunny,
so
back
now
off, back off, back
we
off.
are here.
Back off, back off, back off. Just follow me, okay? 3, 2, 1, come up, come up, come up. Fast, 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 fast. Yeah, come. Come on. No, don't go that side, Sunny. Wait a minute. I have gun. Oh. Sunny, grab some match. It is Brutus. Sunny, come up. Sunny, out from the here. Yeah. I guess we'll have to. Sunny, take it down.
I need.
Take his gun also. Sunny, take his gun.
Okay, so
Sunny, let's go. Let's take down Brutus. You have the gun, right? Sunny, come with me over here. Sunny, over here. We have to take him down, Sunny. He has the key card. Oh my god, I've dealt with a lot of damage. Sunny, come over here. Yeah, over here. Place me down.
Okay, so now
Sunny, we have to shoot, those two people because.
I am actually really low. I am really low. First, we should grab some more.
Yeah, I
materials
guess we'll
and
grab something else. Yeah. We have to come from this, place inside. Sunny, you've left me.
Oh, I left him by chance. Sorry. Not reviving.
I guess we should be heading.
I am actually very low.
Wait. Sunny, do you see anywhere? First take a few mats. Sunny, we don't have any mats. Yeah?
There should be disguise ourselves.
Yeah. I'm trying to.
Okay, so now we actually find something there. Disguise ourselves. Did you get something?
Sunny, I just got a gun.
Okay. You got great.
Sunny, I think we should go for Brutus.
Yeah, but the storm will
Sunny, where are you?
coming.
I don't know where we'll find, other things. Oh, Sunny, we can disguise over here. Come behind me.
Yeah, great.
Yeah, over here. and then we'll take the
wait
chest.
for me.
Sunny, we have to
Wait
kill
for me, wait
Brutus
for me.
also, so you know we don't have much time. And the storm's coming in. Sunny, we don't have enough time left. I guess we'll have to rush in.
Okay, so
Sunny, you kill the other henchman, I'll kill Brutus. Are you done?
great. So
Sunny, let's go, let's go, let's go. Over here.
it now. Do this.
Oh my god, where is that duck? Sunny, over here. Come. First we, yeah, wait a minute. Sunny, you kill, 1 minute. Sunny, where are you? Yeah. Sunny, I am killing Brutus. Sunny, we've got Brutus.
Okay, so Brutus.
Where is henchman?
Dead
Where
now.
is it? Sunny, we are headed for the vault. Sunny, I've disguised myself. Come behind me. Sunny, fast.
I have
Come
a
behind me.
key. Small key.
I have the key. Sunny, I have the key. Sunny, let's go. Oh my god, that's an epic moment. Right over there. I don't believe we've done it. Right?
We have done it. Okay, so this is really an epic moment, as I can say.
Oh.
Okay, so
Where?
I got a medical.
Oh my god, it's lagging over
I
there.
need it.
Sunny, you don't know. The storm is here.
Oh, the storm is now.
Sunny, the storm is here. Sunny, come over here. Where are you? We have to go from here. Let's go.
Let's go now.
Sunny,
I have a
we'll be
flashlight.
killed. Come. Sunny, I'm going.
I think I stopped.
Sunny, come fast. Sunny, we'll be killed before we know.
I know.
Fast, we don't have any meds. Sunny, come
Where is
behind
it?
me. Where are you going? Sunny, to the safe zone.
I'm coming to you.
Sunny, come.
I'll be launching the crash pad.
Sunny, I have a launch pad. Come behind me. Sunny, come fast.
I'm coming.
Sunny, come fast.
Oh, come on.
Fast, Sunny.
Okay, so
Sunny, take the launch pad. Sunny, you will be killed. Sunny, you will be
we have to
killed.
reach these.
Sunny,
No,
I am telling you, you will be
Yeah,
killed.
okay.
Take the launch pad.
I have already taken the launch pad.
Sunny, fast. Okay, my teammate is, running out of meds. He is trying to outrun the
Okay, so now
storm.
I am really low. 10, 8, 7.
Oh my god.
No.
I'm also gone, I guess.
4,
But
3,
the good part is we've completed the challenge.
And I am low, but still, the good part is that we have completed this challenge. And my teammates should be coming to me.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, I was just gone. Yeah. Okay, I am killed over here, but we have completed our mission
Okay, so no
of the
problem.
grotto.
We have completed our mission of the grotto.
Yeah, if you feel
So,
that it was helpful, please subscribe the channel. And if you have any questions, please comment down below. Okay, thank you.
And